Okay, back to Space Engineers Surviving Hell. So, I posted earlier today a video of um, one of my new ships. I put my fan glider up, but I did not get a recording of my miner or my repair ship. I'll show you those. So, they corrupted on me, so I don't have them. However, this is my miner up here. And there's been a few mod changes, so I now have a jetpack. The gimped jetpack was causing way too many problems. So, I turned that off. For now. I might turn it back on later, but for now it's turned off. And I got a few scripts going. As well as the breathing thing. I finally found a script to kill that. But my miner. So here's my miner. It's just a basic 3 drill miner. It's got a large can in the middle. It can carry about 1 million. So it's not too bad. You know, it's 1 million grams. So it's, what? About 100 tons? Not too bad. Fan glider here isn't too bad. It's still smoking. This happened earlier. I screwed this up royally. I have to fix her again, because we need her today. That's the fan glider. So, we have to fix her up, because we're going to need her in a minute. At least for part of it anyway, because the batteries, I don't want to have to make all the batteries from scratch. So we're going to use the fan glider to take the ones that are from the old ship that are still there. There's like 27 of them. And we're going to reuse those. As many of them as I can fit. Ow. Alright, so I think the fan glider's back in shape. Okay, the fan glider's good. And then the last one is up here. And this is the welder. And it's got a grinder on this side. The reason we're doing this way is because I was going to use the lifter to move this in place, but I realized that's going to be a big chore. So I'm going to use the welder grinder ship. And up here, on the back end of the ship, I already started redesigning it a little bit. Just trying to figure out layouts. I got the jump drive. We've got a conveyor belt, very large engine, and then some small engines. I also got a few tucked in here, and when this one comes out, there's a conveyor here with it out to the side, and so on. It's the same thing. So I haven't gotten all the engines in yet, but we're gonna need more engines than this. And these are gonna go away. We're not even gonna bother with these Atmos. I mean, if I decide to put some extra Atmos for atmospheric lift, I'll probably put some flats in, because they don't take up as much space, and they're very easy to work with. Let me get that plate before I lose it. Where'd it go? There it is. Alright. Oh, fine, I'll walk. So, inside the ship, or what will be the ship anyway, we've got a few things going on. So, we've got 2 industrial refiners. Now, they currently have power efficiency modules on them. Oh, these aren't done. These should be done. And these power efficiency modules are going to help in the long run. because we got a lot of ore to process. That'll help. I do have some yield modules, but those take superconductors. I don't have those. We have 2 new industrial assemblers, one here and one here. This is mirrored on both sides. A couple of large cargo cans. I have 2 large hydrogen tanks. So this may get redesigned again. Up there are some oxygen tanks, which have not been hooked up. And we're going to move the oxygen generators to the oxygen tanks. And we're going to move the batteries somewhere. I haven't decided where the batteries are going yet. Because there's a lot of them. And I'm thinking these walls, well, less the tanks. I don't know. So what I'm trying to figure out is where I'm going to put the batteries, because I need to put them somewhere. And they need to be somewhere accessible. The one on the left, though, that's an inventory manager. I kind of need it for me because, frankly, I don't have the ability to have a bunch of friends, you know, helping me figure things out and sort how much I need of this or that or what have you. So to compensate, I decided to get a script. Because the script can help me as much as anything else. As much as a person can. Yeah. My windows were in the wrong spots. I looked over and was like, I couldn't see anything. Okay. So this script allows me to see what I have. So in here you can see that I have no ice. I have cobalt. I have no cobalt. I have no iron. I just put back a thing of magnesium and a load of nickel. I have no scrap and I have no silicon. Now, I really don't know if I need much of anything because I'm pretty much full on the left. So all my components are full except for the engineering plushie. That's funny. Don't need that. I don't know why there wants 10k of those. Why does the plushie want 10k? I don't know. So weird. I just need to go get ourselves. This thing's got enough rust for when it's empty. Well, I filled it up with ore. Oh my goodness. It was, how should we say, not so friendly. I mean, I tested it against some of the bay doors. So. Just gonna wait for her to fill up the tanks. It's pretty quick for it to fill up, though. Let me tell you. Oh, we got the whole thing. Sweet. Alright, here we go. What we're going to do here is get those prongs right where we want them. So we can build this thing. And then once that's done, yay, it's done. Now the batteries, that's what we need to figure out, is where the batteries are going. Because I have to bring them in here in rows. So I'm thinking, I'm going to take these batteries, bring them up, and I think we're just going to bring them down here. Bring them down to this section. Everybody's off now. Now we're all on. Oh, my landing gear. So this thing is designed to fly in pretty much every direction as needed. So what we're going to do is we're going to attach it to the side of the wall. It should fit down this hole. Oh, wow. Okay, so that's a little closer than I thought it was going to be. You'll be fine. Okay, nope, it's still attached somewhere. There she goes. Now we're going to lift her up. Oh, the thing was saving at the same time. Oop, 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 oop. Back up, back up, back up. Looks like I got a damaged thruster from all that clanking. Which is, I guess, okay. So how badly did we get damaged? I lost one thruster. I guess that's fine. That as you go through the steps, you design it for what you need. Now, let's back her up. This one, come on. Going to line up against the wall. And yeah, is there? No, it's just listing. It's fine. It's just listing. Against that nub. Take it down. Oop. I gotta show you something. I don't have the front magnetic plates in a group. So that I can grab them and turn them off. Switch lock. There. Chiseling on this one. And found that this whole section right here what did we just lose? Atmospheric thruster right. Well, maybe we did fry something. Okay. There we go. And now we're good to go. Okay. Drifting. Yeah, I'm gonna let the flatmos that are in the way cook themselves out. Not what I wanted. I need to slide this thing in the hole. Thank you. How's it going? Today we are drinking soda. Assuming I can keep my... You know what this thing needs? This thing needs more gyros. If we turn ourselves on, we shouldn't have as many listing issues. Well, we're still listing. I don't know why this thing's listing, but it's still listing. I don't know why. Maybe it's just the load. I don't know. Alright, let me try grabbing it a different way. Turn my lights on at least. I don't have lights on the inside of this thing yet. I don't know why it keeps wanting to, There we go. See if this works out better for us. We gotta get all these batteries inside the ship. And we are lagging hard. Oh, it's just saving. Okay. Right. Should get these things loaded. Oh, bad. Down. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. Good. Alright. 5. Yeah. We just need to push them into place. Okay. Down. And 5. Sweet. We're good. There's more batteries. And no, I didn't have a blueprint of that thing. It's on me. Today, it's just been janky. Okay. Because the Winnebago here does not need all the stuff it's got. Okay, now, I do need those. We need a landing gear. Here we go. Hey, and I actually want a landing gear. So, use the magnetic plate. Not the big one. We'll use this one. And what we'll do is we'll go up and we'll take care of the oxygen generators instead. Because we have to move those too. And those are a little easier to deal with. They're not in that tight space. So maybe I might just because they're not. I think the biggest problem we had with the last one, there it goes. There we go, there we go, there we go. Was the piston, as far as I can tell. Well, between that and the lag today, it's like it's saving more often than I'm used to. Over here, I have an area that we're going to mount these. And go ahead and land. Alright, pick this up. And we'll take it to the other side. Get it mounted. Seems so easy to mount, but it is really hard sometimes to place these things. There we go. And then 5. that's where we are for tonight. I am probably going to try and debug my system as to why it's glitching out. But for the most part, we're going to need some cobalt. And oops, I'm going to jump in here into my cryotube. You can tell we're having a rough time today. Okay, into the cryotube. And I will see you next time, and thank you for dropping by for those that did.